trims, charcoal gray for the side. We got a 12 by 18 door here in the back. I haven't got around to the side and the soffits on this side yet. Been battling weather all winter. Obviously the other side looks the same. Take a walk on the inside. Haven't got the ridge cap on yet either. I've got this one designed to meet the wind zones here for Eastern Carolina. It is rated for 142 mile an hour wind for uplift. I had to back all of our post spacings from 10 foot down to 8 foot bays. The front will be, I can't remember exactly how high it is from the cross bracings on the truss to the finished foundation, but I want to say 21 feet, I think. And then the clearance from the bottom of the truss on the sidewalls to finished grade will be right at 15 feet. Those are 16 foot posts, so I think it's like 14.8, somewhere between that and 15 feet. But we've got it diagonally braced across. We've got the one door in the back. As I said, we've got the wet set brackets, 24-inch columns. I've only got one door framed out in the front right now. We're going to frame another window just to the left and right of the main door. I think we're going to do it in the corner bays on each corner. And then we're going to do one here on the front of each side. This is all going to be office space up here in the front. This will be 24 feet roughly. Probably 2 stories here in the front. Use the upstairs for storage, conference room, whatnot. We'll have 2 offices down here. One over in this corner. Reception coming in the main entrance here. Another office identical over in the other corner. We'll have a door here that goes back into the workshop, and probably right here in this back corner of the office we'll have a bathroom. We've got the frame in another wall door on this back side. I haven't really figured out which side of the door we want it on. Our parking will be over to the left outside of this door, so we'll probably just do it on this bay to the left of this main garage door. But that's kind of it. Short, sweet. Like I say, 16 foot 6x6 treated posts, 8 foot centers on the sidewalls. We'll just equally work the spacing out on the end walls. I think the front side worked out to 10 foot on center, and we just spaced the rear door, the rear wall, spaced the post out on it to accommodate our 12 foot door in the center. So this is a package that we purchased from Builders Discount Center. Made some upgrades on it, the overhangs. Issue we had was the very last purlin was designed to set up at an angle, the same as all of these do, and we just changed that a little by fastening to the outside of that last purlin clip and bending the clip to where it was flush, or actually plumb, I guess you would say. Fastening our fascia 2x6 to that, and running our F channel inside to receive the soffit and the wall panels.